Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, again we have another comparison between the new A7C Mark II and the Sony A7 Mark IV. So both camera is 33 megapixel, and yeah, let's try to check what's the difference between A7C Mark II over the Sony A7 IV. Without further ado, let's start. But again, for anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorials. So let's start now guys. So the Sony A7 IV announced last October 21, 2021 with 33 megapixel full frame BSI CMOS sensor. Yeah. While the Sony A7C Mark II announced last August 29, 2023. Yeah, correct. August 29, 2023. So it's totally new. Yeah. And again, it's 33 megapixel full frame BSI CMOS sensor. So yeah. So let's check why A7C is good to buy compared with the A7 IV. So first, Sony A7C is already Mark II is already auto framing. You have already auto framing in this auto framing in video like an AI. Yeah. First, second is the weight. So this is more lighter compared for the it's compact C, meaning compact. So this is more lighter compared for the A7 IV, which is 514 grams over 659 grams. Okay. So you have already also the vehicle tracking and insect tracking on the A7C Mark II. Yeah. Again, why we choose A7 IV? First, you have your anti-dust shutter mechanism. Viewfinder. Again, the viewfinder of the A7 IV is 0.78 times. LCD resolution, it is 1.440K dots compare for 1.030 dots of the A7C Mark II. Next is the mechanical shutter. Mechanical shutter for the A7 IV is 1 over 8,000. Yeah, 1 over 8,000. While the Sony A7C Mark II is 1 over 4,000 seconds. Battery life, you have already for photo, you have 600 shots over 540 shots of A7C. Viewfinder, you have 3,690K dots compare for the 2,360 dots of A7C. The HDMI, you have micro, I believe, yes, you have micro HDMI for the A7C, while full HDMI for the A7 IV. Yeah, this is the full HDMI compared for the micro HDMI of A7C. So mostly they prefer the full HDMI because it's more for durability. They prepare the full HDMI. Okay, storage for SD card. You have one CF again. For the SD card, you have one CF Express slot and the other one is SD card. While the Sony A7C have only one SD card slot. So yeah, this is the reason why A7 you need this is the reason why A7 IV is good to buy over the A7C because they are both similar 33 megapixel. So again, let's check the similarity of these two camera. So again, you have already your gyroscopic stabilization, lens breathing correction, video recording limit is unlimited for this two camera with the Sony ZV uh, N100 something battery. Okay, they are similar battery. So you have already dedicated switch for video and photo for both camera. And so like that. And front dial. Okay, you have the same front dial for two camera Then wireless connection, Bluetooth connection, and image stabilization, censorship, and adjustable LCD, fully articulated, and yeah, external flash shoe, touchscreen, viewfinder, raw support, face detection, focus. Yeah, continuous shooting burst mode is 10 frames. Both this camera, microphone port, headphone port, headphone port, environmental ceiling, and time lapse. So both of this camera, and also uh, you have dual access electronic level, smartphone remote, video bitrates. They're similar 600 megabits per second video bitrate, webcam function, anti-flicker, eye tracking, focus. So yeah, I think that's it for today. These two, we have the Sony A7C Mark II and the A7 IV. So, and if you want, if you have already A7 IV and if you want a second camera for your Sony, then I will go for the, again, for the A7 II. Because again, it's more compact, smaller, and you have already AI auto framing. Yeah. So if you have another second cam, or if you want a smaller and for travel but full frame, then A7C is a good to buy. And yeah, for photo, both photo and video, the A7C Mark II. But if you are, if you want the A7 loop, which is similar with the A7S and A7 IV, and good for hand grip, and then and for your professional work, like for wedding or any events, then or any professional work, tawag doon, yes. I will rather choose the A7 for my work. And yan. And for video, they are both similar for video and photo, but only the Sony CV1, but only the A7C Mark II have already the AI uh, auto framing. Or for paid job, then I will go with the Sony A7 for, so, yeah, because both of these camera, guys, is amazing camera. But for vlogging and compact, I will go with A7C. But for my work and yeah, for paid job, then A7 IV is a must. It's better to choose. Yeah. So I think that's it for today. Again, we compare already the A7C Mark II over the A7 IV because they have similar 4K with 600 megabits per second bitrate, and also um, 33 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. They're both almost similar. So again, guys, it's up to you which one you prefer. If you want the compact or the traditional mirrorless look of the Sony A7 series. Yan. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of these two product or any Sony, you can visit our website www.avworld.com. So all the Sony product is already in our website. The from memory cards to um, microphones and speed lights and camera. So name it, guys. We already have stock on our website. So again, if you want to check again the price and availability of the products, visit our website www.aabworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang, guys. Again, if you want to check the camera, you can visit us here in our showroom. We have demo units from most of the camera, but A7C soon we can have a demo. So check. You can visit us here in Megastore Symphony Showroom, Salmiya, Kuwait. Yan. So, and also you can visit our two showroom, which is the Shamia showroom and Igayla showroom. So, yan. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. Thank you and mabuhay.